Hi everyone, welcome to my demo. In this video, I'll be showcasing a location-based Android application I created using Google Maps and location services. The app allows users to search for places, view their current location, and calculate the distance between 2 points all in real time. And also, there is an 8 question provided and I answer those in this video. But first, I'll show you my created application. This is my created application Google Map. In here, ani ta makabutang og mga places natong i-search gusto i-search. Then like example, magbutang tani og balilihan. Balilihan. Bohol. Then we can tuplokan to ning go. Ah, malukit niya ang balilihan Bohol. Then kanang blue, kung nakabantay mo kanimo ni yung location karon kani. Namo ko sa San Isidro so sa San Isidro ni siya. Ani ang latitude ug longitude niya, ang kalangyoon niya, ani niya makita ang sa ang iyang radius. Then the distance from your location, ani to nakita mo ni kaning blue ug kaning puwa na akong gi-search. Kaning blue ako ta kaning puwa ang akong gi-search. Then ang mapsat is this, ani murag mautro siyang porma, mura nagang yuta. Then ang may location 'no, kani kailangan man i-on nimo ang imong location ani since naka-on naman ko kailangan nimo i-on imong location para matuklok ni may location nimo na kani mo niya kani may location. Then kani plus naa ni siya sa question niya magamit makuan gyapon ni plus para modako mo-zoom in ang imong mapa minus kung mo magamay ka mo palayo kasi imong mapa 'no, tingana ug kuan mag-answer nako sa 8 ka question. The first question is what is the difference between axis find location and axis course location? My answer is axis find location gives precise GPS level accuracy within few meters. So doon lang siya ang iyang ma-locate niya. Then ang axis course location gives approximate location using Wi-Fi or cell towers accuracy within 100 of meters. So layo-layo gyud yung iyang madawat nga signal or location. Use access find location when you need exact coordinates like in your map app. Question number 2. Why do we need to request permission at runtime? This protects user privacy and gives them control over sensitive data access. Question 3. What is Fuse location provider client and why use it? It's part of Google Play services that combines GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell data to get the most accurate and battery-efficient location. It's better than using Location Manager directly because it handles provider switching and optimizes performance. Question 4. How do you add a marker on Google Maps? By the way, a marker is a visual icon placed on the map to represent a specific geographic location. It helps users identify points and interest such as cities, landmarks, or their current location. First is to create a lat LNG object. This holds the latitude and longitude katong kanina dari tumabaw katong LNG of lat mo to siya. Next is customize. Kung pwede ka maka-customize ani you can change the color of the icon using bitmap description or factory, descriptor factory. So para po move ang camera to the marker to make the marker visible immediately. Question 5. What is lat LNG and what does it represent? Lat LNG is a class that holds latitude and longitude coordinates. It's used to define positions on the map like katong diha ni babaw ganina. Katong babaw sa katong distance nimo para sa imong location o sa imong i-search na location ani babaw. 6. How do you move the camera to a specific location? To move the camera on a Google Map to a specific location, you use the camera update factory class along with a lat LNG object that represents the target's coordinates. This allows you to smoothly center the map view on a chosen point, such as city, landmark, or the user's current location. 7. What happens if the location permission is denied? The app cannot access location data. So, di siya maka-access sa location. Number 8 and last question. How do you enable zoom controls on the map? To enable controls, the plus and the minus buttons, katong diha aning ubos niya. O niya, mapakita na ko ni siya ani. Ani, duha ni yun. On Google, mo to siya. So, karon akong ipakita to. Balik. Na. Kani sa question 8, mao ni siya ang iyang pasabot kani plus and minus. Kani na, mo zoom in o zoom out. Na. Ya katong question 5 yata to or 6 kani lat and LNG kani. So, mo ni ako nagamang application. So, maoro po to. Salamat. Salamat po.